Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can move a sketch in Onshape CAD. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through your sketch. In my case, I'm going to be adding a new sketch onto my top plane. And basically from here, let's add a simple corner rectangle. And then let's go ahead and extrude it. So it will make us this simple rectangle right here. Now, basically, if you want to move this, the first thing that you want to do is to just navigate through the sketch itself. It's going to be at the side categories right here. So just right click on your sketch, or you can double click on it. It will then open up this window. Now, in order to move your sketch, you can then click on the X button, and from there you then want to navigate through the plane that you want to move it into. So let's go ahead and say that we want to move it onto our right plane. So just click on the right plane option, and from here you have additional options that you could simply go ahead and edit, but in my case I'm good with this one. So let's just click on check, and then it will automatically import it onto our right plane right here, as you can go ahead and see. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.